Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys a new subscription box that I found. There's two different versions of this. First of all, it's called Beyond Beautiful. And you can either get the bag, which I believe is like $6.99, or the box, which is $9.99. I will leave the link below of where I found this. And I'm going to go ahead and get inside of this now. Alright, so first things first, I got a hello there, which is just contact information and a thank you. And then I got a hemp, sweet pineapple, and honey melon. It's bath and body oil. Pretty decent size. And then I got a tart. Let's see, this is drink of H2O. So let me put this down real quick. Which is very nice. And I have dry skin, especially with winter. It's snowing here today. Like really good. So my skin is definitely in need of hydration. And actually that feels very nice. It smells good too. Alright, and then I received, I'm going to do the foil packets first. Purifying crystals. So, sorry it's so shiny. And then an Estee Lauder New Dimension Shape and Fill Expert Serum. This looks like a sample. So it's not like a whole bunch in here. Very much sample size. I'm not too big on foil packs, but I'll use them. And then this is some of the makeup that came. Let's see, first, Volcanic Minerals. It's an eyeliner in brown. I usually wear black, but I'll see what I can do with this. Looks pretty decent. It's nice. And then Benefit They're Real mascara sample, so it's very much sample size, but it's in black, I believe. I hope. Let's see, it doesn't say, but that's okay. Try it out anyway. And then an NYX nude matte shadow in what color? In Craving. Let me see if I can open this. So there's the shadow itself. And I've used NYX before. Alright. So that's a pretty shadow. I do like grays. Let's see if I can actually get some on here to really show some of the color, which is right here. And last is a Clinique Love Pop. And I'll go ahead and swatch this. And this is really pretty. So, very pretty color. So all in all, honestly, I believe this company is ran by just a single person. So I like it. I think she did really good. You can email her and let you know that if you don't like something or you don't want something. So like in my case, I usually wear black eyeliner and nothing else. So I will let her know for next month. But I'm totally going to go ahead and continue with this subscription just to see, you know, what else, you know, may flow in. I know that she says that there's supposed to be like no drugstore type of products in here. So, but overall, I think it's a pretty good box, one worth checking out. Like I said, I'll put the link below. But that's about it for this box. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the palm rating if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!